Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add a new floor in Brookhaven. You can only add one. So go to the ceiling. I can't do that in this house, but go to the ceiling of your house and you're going to just add another room using props. Select your backpack and select props here. Select props and select the item you want, like a bed or something like that in your room. So for instance, you want a bed, like a bunk bed in your room. Select it and just place it using your mouse here. And as you can see, you've added a new prop to your room. To remove it, you can select that to remove your props. But that is pretty much it, really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.